This system can help provide traction if a vehicle is stuck or becoming stuck. It operates by electronically locking the two rear drive wheels together, allowing them to turn at the same speed. This system will only function at speeds of up to approximately 4 miles per hour. To activate the system, the vehicle must be moving at 4 miles per hour or less. On four-wheel drive vehicles, the transmission must be in 4 low. Now push the E-lock switch, and the indicator light will flash until the system engages. When the E-lock system is on, both the anti-lock brake and vehicle dynamic control systems will be disabled. This is not a malfunction. Once the vehicle is freed, push the E-lock switch to turn the system off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.